So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the review of the Nothing launcher and then also specific phones that support this launcher and then my view about it. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up and let's dive into the video. So Nothing launcher is actually some portion of the Nothing OS which is going to be supported by Nothing Phone 1, which is going to be released very soon. And in case maybe you've not heard of this phone, I'm actually going to leave a picture of this phone right here, or maybe you can just go to one of the websites which been talking about smartphones like GSM Arena, and then you can just watch or read a review of it, and that's going to be very cool for you. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to go to Google and then you search for Nothing launcher, and then you're going to see some articles right here talking about it. You can read them, but when you type, you are going to see the Nothing launcher beta right here, and then you tap on it and then it's going to bring you to your store, and then you install. In case maybe you have the phones that support it, I'm actually going to leave the link to this launcher in my description of the video, so you don't worry yourself going to Google actually. And then when you are done, you're going to just close the page up and then go to your settings. When you go to your settings, that is for Google Pixel devices, you go to apps and then you scroll down to default apps, and then you tap on home right here, and then you're going to see the launchers you have on your device. So you're going to tap on Nothing launcher, and then this is how it's going to pop up. So you can see a screensaver of it, and basically that is how it looks like. But when you check out this one right here, you can see it has a different view right here. You can even just zoom the app like this, and that is basically, I think this is one of the cool features too I like about this Nothing launcher. And yeah, so the next thing I also found very cool or maybe different from this launcher is how this pop-up shows right here is also different. And when you go to the wallpapers and style, you can see that it's different when you want to select a wallpaper. We don't have themed icons right here, unlike the Pixel launcher that we have themed icons, and then you can just see right here. And that's basically very cool. So in case maybe you want to pick on any wallpaper, you can just pick on it and then you are good. And it has a widgets too, which is pretty much cool too. So you scroll down to Nothing launcher right here, and then you have set of 3 widgets. That is the clock, and then the guitar one, and then also the weather. So you can just drag it into your screen and then you tap on create, and it's gonna pop up right here. So you put a location and then it's gonna pop up right there, and then you can also pick the clock in case maybe you want to just put it there, and you can see how it looks like. Tap on create, and this is how it's going to look like. So if you want to just put the other one too, you can just tap on it like this, and that one has 2 faces. So when you check out right here, you can see this one right here, this is transparent and this is solid. So you tap on any of them and you can drag it to the section you feel like you want, and you are good. So that is how the Nothing launcher looks like, and so far these are the features that it has. And when you scroll through to, you can see it looks like the Pixel launcher, but its icons are a bit bigger than the Pixel launcher right here. So that is the difference I just saw in this. But I like the widgets right here. I mean the clock widgets right here, I like it with the date and then time and then everything right here. I think it's cool. And then the location too, when you input your location, so you want how you want it, and then you just leave it. You're going to see your weather right here. So this is your weather widget, and then this is your clock widget, and then your digital clock widget, and that is pretty much very cool. You want to take it off, you can just take it off. But if you want to just stop using this, you can just go back to your settings and then go back to apps, and then you go back to default apps. You tap on this section and then you can pick on your Pixel launcher, and then you're going to have your default screen setup on your phone right here. So supported devices are the Pixel 5 series, and then the 6 series, that is the 6 and then 6 Pro, and then also Samsung S21 series and then Samsung S22 series. I've seen a lot of people trying to make videos about this launcher, trying to give it to people for smartphones that don't support it. And I'll lie to you, it might be cool, but sometimes installing apps which are not signed by Google is very, very risky. You can get some people spying on you and doing a whole lot of things you might not know, and you might one way or the other exposing your bank card and a lot of things to the people. So mind you, you don't install any app or any person's app who is trying to just give it to you on unsupported devices at the moment. This is the beta version, so in case maybe it's being released to the general public, I'm actually going to make a video and then share with you guys, so you're going to be able to install it on your devices, and that is basically very cool. So in case maybe you want to know more apps too, you can check out this playlist right here, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to catch you in the next video. Peace.